Hi guys, guess who forgot to film an actual intro? This girl. Hope you enjoy the random clips I have come up with to fill up the space. So without further ado, let's jump into the nail art. First things first, you're going to need a base coat. Here I have my Revlon one in number 955. To be honest, I don't know if it's my favorite base coat. About after a week or so of wearing my nail polish, it started to have cracks in the design and it started to chip away. So I don't know if that was a problem with the base coat or maybe I put way too many layers of polish on. So if you guys have any suggestions to extend your manicure, let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm using a nail polish by Essie in the color Luscious Lips, and I'm using this as the base for the nail look. So I'm starting off by doing one coat of polish, but I will go over it with a second coat. If you can kind of tell, it is a little patchy, so the second coat helps fix that problem. One thing that I wasn't sure with the second coat, especially of this nail polish color, is if this might have been the reason why my polish got a little cracky and kind of broke off, because especially with the second coat, I was like, maybe I was adding too thick of layers and should have maybe let it dry a little bit more in between to really secure that polish to the nail. So any of you nail buffs out there, if you can help a girl out and let me know what I did wrong, I'd really appreciate it. Now I'm going in with a Color Club nail polish in the color Heirloom Pearls and using that to create the French tips of my nails. If you don't feel confident on hand painting on the French tips of the nails, one thing you can do is you can purchase nail vinyls, and that will give you that nice crisp line that you're looking for without like the headache of making sure that your hand's steady. I personally have painted my nails and done French tips for a very long time, so I've kind of like second nature for me, but I know for a lot of people this step right here would probably be the hardest. Now I'm going in with a red nail polish that has a striper brush tip. Using light pressure, you can create the little whips on each of the nails. You can also use a thin tip paintbrush to create the same effect with any nail polish that you have at home. Now using this hot pink kissed nail polish, I'm going to do the same sort of effect, but in a different direction. Now I'm going to use a pink glittery nail striper by Kiss and create a smaller stripe at the bottom, opposite direction from the hot pink one. Now using my Revlon Quick Dry Top Coat in the number 960, I'm painting on a top coat of nail polish to protect the design from any wear and tear that might come to it throughout the day, and also gives it a nice shiny glossy look. Now I could have left my art alone and had this nice beautiful design to show off to the world, but I decided it needed more. It needed sparkles, it needed jewels, so I just added little pearls to each of the nails to, I don't know, give it a little bit more pizzazz. And if you were wondering if I filmed an actual outro for this video, and you guessed no, well, you're correct. You're in luck. Ding ding ding, you're a winner. I regrettably say that there is no prize for winning this, but, you know, I'm sorry. So, if you liked the video, like and subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!